Good morning, fabulous OT literacy students. Today is Monday, the 27th, and I just want to go over what I need you to do today. So I'm going to click on the agenda for today. And the agenda says you need to do a Schoology check-in. Then you're going to go to News ELA and look at the article that you read last week. Then you are going to choose the graphic organizer for the article that you read and open it on Notability and fill it out. And then you're going to do your reading check, which is your exit ticket. So let's go back. I want to look at the text structure graphic organizer. So whatever one you read last week, whatever article you read, you want to pick the correct text structure graphic organizer. Now, I did not tell you what text structure it was. You had to come up with it on your own. So that's what you're going to pick, okay? So let's say I pick sequence. I'm going to click on sequence. And with Notability, which I don't have, so I can't write on it, you want to fill in the title of the author's purpose, the main idea, a quote. My dog is scratching at the door right now. It's driving me crazy. Who, what, why, when, and where. And then you want to fill out the steps. So what happened first, what happened second, what happened next, what happened then, what happened finally. And that is going to be a good summary of the article you read in that text structure. If you have questions, come to the Google Meet today and I will go over them with you. All right, Google Meet is at 11. All right, bye guys, miss you.